So let's see what is inside. I've got a little 10% off my next home delivery. Very nice. And a little booklet. Oh, that's got all of the, oh, it's got recipes. Excellent. So this is for the Mercato Mediterranean gin, which is what I've been sent. So I'm definitely going to make some of these later. Oh, I'm so excited. It's like dreams coming true. Oh, okay. Right. Let's find, okay, here we go. So this is the gin. Look at that bottle. So aesthetically pleasing, I would say. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, I need to calm down. So that is the gin, the Mercato Mediterranean, made with fresh cut rosemary, thyme and basil. Oh, that sounds like a bit of me. Okay, and then I think I've just got tonic water. Different kind of tonic waters to try. So this is an Indian tonic water by Double Dutch. Maybe I'll get all of these out and show you all in one place. Cucumber tonic water. Right, okay, I'm gonna unpack them and then show you. Okay, I have unpacked them all. I'm honestly in heaven. This feels like better than any Christmas day I've ever had. So, if my family are watching, buy me more gin. So, like I said, this is the star of the show, the Mercato Mediterranean gin. I can't wait to try it. It sounds so yummy. Anyway, so the tonic waters that you get with it are Majorcan tonic water. Double Dutch skinny tonic water, so I guess like a kind of slimline situation. Aromatic tonic water, which sounds delicious. Angostura bark. Oh. This Double Dutch Indian tonic water, and cucumber tonic water, like I said earlier, and also an elderflower tonic water. So I'm going to be busy